This video provides an overview of the cleaning and daily and weekly maintenance for Ritter M9 and M11 steam sterilizers. Always refer to the appropriate technical documentation for the complete list of instructions, safety alerts, and sequence of procedures before conducting any service or maintenance operations. To assure proper operation and maximum sterilizer life, carefully follow all recommendations for periodic maintenance. Recommended maintenance is easy to perform and takes very little time. One of the most important steps you can take to prevent problems with your sterilizer is to ensure that you use only distilled water or water that meets the referenced water purity specifications found in the user guide. Please ensure that tap water is not used in the sterilizer. Since the sterilizer operates at high temperatures, any minerals dissolved in the water will form mineral deposits. This can prevent valves from opening or closing properly, and can also lead to corrosion in the chamber and tubing. Maintenance reminders will be briefly displayed on the screen at the appropriate intervals when a cycle is completed, to remind the operator that maintenance needs to be performed on the sterilizer. These reminders are removed from the display screen once a cycle is started. The user is responsible for establishing a periodic maintenance procedure to ensure correct operation of equipment and reliable sterilizer performance. Contact Midmark Technical Support at 1-844-856-1230 to develop a program for planned maintenance. Wash the exterior of the sterilizer each day with quaternary disinfectants, according to your facility's procedure for clinical contact surfaces. Staining, pitting, discoloration, or softening could occur if phenolic, iodophore, or glutaraldehyde-based disinfectant is used on the plastic surfaces of the unit. Use of alcohol, aerosol spray cleaner, or disinfectants containing substantial amounts of alcohol can also damage the sterilizer faceplate. To clean and disinfect the surface of the sterilizer, begin by wringing excess solution from the cloth. Using a soft cloth, wipe all external surfaces. Follow the instructions provided with the cleaner or disinfectant used regarding rinsing and drying of the external surfaces. Examine gaskets for possible damage. Then, clean the gaskets and mating surfaces with a damp cloth. Every 7 days, the sterilizer will automatically display the Perform Weekly Maintenance message. If the power is disconnected, the cycle of weekly messages will be reset. Disconnect the upper portion of the reservoir drain tube from the panel clips, bend it downward, then drain the reservoir water into a suitable container and dispose of the water. Remove the trays, tray rack, and tray plate from the sterilizer. To remove the tray rack and plate, you must first remove the trays. Using a screwdriver, pry the plate up while pulling the tray rack and plate out of the chamber. Wash the trays, rack, plate, and inside of the chamber with mild detergent or speed clean and distilled water that meets the referenced water purity specifications in the user guide. Refill the reservoir with distilled water or other purified water that meets the referenced water purity specifications in the user guide. To reinstall the tray rack and plate, insert the tray rack into the tray plate. Place the back of the tray plate into the chamber. Press down on the tray rack while sliding it into the chamber. For more detailed information about your sterilizer, please refer to the M9 M11 user guide. For further support, contact Midmark Support Services at 1-800-MIDMARK.